Hey, good morning, guys. It's another day. Good morning. It's another day. So the kitchen, it's already in use, and today is another beautiful day. Again, we give thanks to Almighty God. So bear with my voice. I'll tell you why my voice just got lost. So they're preparing some tea. It's is it green tea or black tea? Black tea. So they're preparing black tea. This is Vashinaz's wife. So we are here and kumbe sukuma bado ni nyingi hapa na inaongezwa nyingine. So we want to do what we call like sababu kuna sukuma. Shemeji nilikuwa nataka watengeneze sukuma, naona kuna sukuma nyingine. Sasa ile itengenezwe, katwe, iongezwe hapa. Ikije changanywe. Ije changanywe watu wale mchana sukuma dagaa. So guys, it's a beautiful morning. I have also some more around. I bought another trunk so it can be this way. And I'm here with another great guy.
Yes.
Ken Gore.
How are you, my brother?
I'm good, brother.
Okay.
It's camera, checking camera.
It's camera.
Checking camera, yeah, guys. I have to post mine. Yeah, so guys, that was Ken Gore. And they want to do what you call like to cut the kales so that we can mix with the others. Today's lunchtime, it will be kales and sardines.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, kales and sardines. So let me do something and then we go on this. Yeah, so guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It literally depends with the place you're watching me from. Today is another great day of mourning grandma or celebrating grandma. So please, if you're new here, feel free to subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment. Make also a comment about how do you people mourn according to your culture or according to your tribe. With us over here, sometimes it's quiet, sometimes it's hyper, sometimes goes cool. So as according to the committee or according to the latest updates, I'm very much happy for each and every person who's showing up. I'm always grateful for every person who has really put a hand towards the support of the send of our lovely grandma, because she was a grandma to everyone. She was not a grandma to Claude Joseph. She was a grandma to everyone. That's why I could allow everyone to come and visit grandma. It reached a point where grandma was famous until a point where disease was taking her down. When she felt sick is when I couldn't just showcase more. But grandma has lived her life. Grandma of 92 years, that's a bonus. But with me, I'm not crying much. It's the painful that really felt that this morning, at a time like now, I could have carried her, put her somewhere to make stories with her. That's why sometimes, you know, when I wake up, I feel very much pain in me. I haven't slept, but we keep on. We want to make our grandma's funeral celebration, a success. So please, I'm calling upon every one of you. Kindly, it's a kind request to support us financially, because we have hospital bills to be paid. We have clothes to be, maybe people to be clothed around, maybe the family. We have food expenses. We have transport system that will go to bring grandma from the morgue to this side. The same time we have to bring the priest. The same time we have to bring the system, the sound system that will communicate with people. The same time we have to fuel cars, maybe 6 or 10 of them, that to take grandma in and out. So as a celebration, we need also what we call like veggies. We need beef. So sometimes reach a point where I feel like we can even slaughter cow in remembrance of grandma. You know, so through all that, it can't be done with one person, or it can't be done with one family. It's through you guys, and that's why in each and every video I do, I really recommend you guys. There's at the description down below, there's my number. There's also a number at the comment section that you can channel the funds there or the donation there. It can be maybe Western Union, it can be MoneyGram, it can be M-Pesa direct, it can be Remitly, SendWave. There's a number down below. You can discuss about it, guys. Thank you so much for all watching our videos. So today it's another day. Most people have been asking, where is my wife? She has been here. She has been so supportive. She has been working with us, and also our traditional latrine, or it's also a bathroom, was lashed down so that we can create space for the people who will be sitting here, for the mourners. So also these things will be removed today. And on the other hand, you want to say hi? Oh. Yeah, on this side. Okay. This is my lovely wife.
So where's the camera facing?
Just this way, so okay. You can, yeah.
Let me take
No, it's okay, don't. It's okay.
Okay, guys, hi, yeah. How are you?
Yes.
My name is the Cooking Village Wife.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're back here in the village. A lot has been happening. I don't know if I've appeared on your channel yet. But yeah,
well, so most people have been asking. Yeah.
We lost Bibi, and so we have preparations going on what's going on for the burial. Yeah. Yeah. So we're going to miss her a lot. She was an amazing person in our lives. She used to make us laugh, smile, and all that. But then now her time has come to an end. Though I'm not very active and vocal about it.
No, it's okay. Maria is okay. No. Oh, I'm carrying Maria.
No.
Okay.
She's
afraid because I was carrying Maria, and
anyway. I'm not very vocal about it.
Okay.
But yeah, so may her soul rest in peace. Others, thank you so much for those who have been reaching out, for those who have been praying for us and sending the condolences messages. We see them and we appreciate you. Thank you so much. And yeah, not sure if you have any questions.
All right, it's okay. So you can have Maria.
Okay.
And I want to just go do some shopping. Okay. And we can check what's going on around. Thank you. Okay, yeah, so guys, this is it. And also my sister arrived. My sister arrived from school. And my brother's house got roofed. Oh, man, fell. Come. Where are you running? So she's going in. So today I went at the town to buy. I think also our kitchen garden will go down because people have to sit on this other end. So really, this end, I'm sad that I'm going to uproot it for a short moment, just to make it happen, because we have our compound is just small. But when we just try to put each and every place, I think we can have a tent here, another tent over there, another one just like that, so we can make it happen. So I'm here with my sister. Hey, good morning. How are you? Hey, you are missed, eh? You are missed online.
No, I'm
good. You're good. Introduce yourself.
Just heavy-hearted.
All right. How was school?
School was fine, just some strike. The lecturers, they want to be paid. You know, you can't work for a long time and are not being paid. You must strike for your rights. So yeah, guys, welcome back to Claude Joseph YouTube channel. Yeah. Subscribe, like, and leave us a comment, and also share. I'm Carol Claudia, or Claudia Cloud, a sister to Claude Joseph. Yeah, we're in the village, just mourning our grandmother. The last celebration of our grandmother. Yeah. The very nice and comedian grandmother. Yeah. Hope you know her very well. Yeah. It's sad that she left us. She's resting. With just praying for her. The way she was singing with us here, she'll go and sing with the angels in the heaven. Absolutely. And she also pray for us. She also, like, you know, I always believe that when someone dies, she or he is in heaven praying for us and protecting us. Absolutely.
Because what I believe about grandma never wanted to see us losing. Grandma could be the forefront to see us winning. Yeah. Even if around here that whatever, we lived in poverty, but she made sure that we go to school. Grandma used to work in people's farm. She could go work, the sun very harsh, scorching on her, but she could make money, raise money to take us to school. Sometimes when we are down.
Yeah, so sometimes she will go to the farms, look for veggies. Some mixed veggies. You can mix a lot of veggies.
Very sweet.
Come and prepare them and put some milk. We could eat and we grow
healthy. So grandma, with me, grandma was more than a mom to me. More than a mom. Because sometimes like the biggest part is where we had grandma. So that was my sister, guys. And another option is I bought some trunk trees like this. So this guy is going to use ulioneshwa niko alikuwa nesha
hapa moja.
No. Nataka zikuwe ndani. Sasa zikuwe nje. Unaona penye ilikuwa hapo ni karibu sana. Hapa ni karibu sana na ni barabarani.
Tena uzuri ukinya uchero o advice rimanye.
Ziko nataka ziwe ndani, ziwe ndani. Nataka ziwe ndani. Inside where the other. Kama unaona kama ilikuwa hapa. Sorry guys on my voice. I'm just trying to tell him. Unaona kama huu mti ulikuwa hapa. Nyingine inaweza ikachimbiwa hapa. Yaani ya line na ile nyingine.
Unaona ndio hii nimeweka hapo. Nimekuja nikaweka hapa hii. Nimekuja tena hii nikaweka hapa. Kwa sababu niliona nimejisahau jembe nimeacha hapa, mtu angekuja achukue kwa
kesi. So chimba hiyo kubwa sababu mti.
Hii ile mti kubwa ndio hiyo itakaa hapa na nyingine kubwa itakaa kule.
Kule kona. I want them to be on a straight line with this. Ikwe line moja ndani. So this is Boom Sakamtaka, the big man Gentanyi. Yeah, the only rapper guy. Turapi hata moja.
Yeah. Kutana na Wahindi kutoka bara Hindi na gunia rama Hindi nikamuomba Hindi akasungusa macho na kuniuliza awege chana nani unakaa jambazi mimi nigatana liyevuga tana naweza nikutana tunaweza tukuchane
shaka
ni vile niko mgonjwa hapa
endelea sasa
ni vile niko mgonjwa kidogo hapa
uko mgonjwa kidogo he's saying he's sick a little bit so we used to call him Boom Sakamtaka Bush Msakamtaka and the giving man Genta. Sawa tatuka buya dola. Unapenda dola?
No.
Chimba vizuri.
Even you.
Even me I love dollar.
I want to.
But you love more dollar.
Even me I want to do my friend.
Aye. Nobody has said no. So guys just like that. And Keno. So guys, just like that, and let's keep on moving. We see how stuff should be going. Nation
one is here.
Yes, welcome, bro.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
They are preparing for the what do we call it?
Lunchtime.
Yeah, lunch.
Yeah.
So I want to help myself on this side here.
Oh yeah.
So if you're watching this for the first time, can you support me?
Yes.
I'm sorry, bro, for what happened.
It's okay. You're taking heart.
It's normal, you know. As human beings that we are living in this world, we have to pass that challenges.
Absolutely.
But also, apart from that, sometimes it's painful, you know.
Very.
But thank you so much, guys, for supporting my brother. You're here to come and show some love.
Yeah.
And also, we are sending the condolences to the family.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, man, for showing up, bro. It's a very great gratitude to be with you around here. Okay. Thank you, man. All right, man. So that was Nation, guys. And I wanna just put this. Jako, hebu njoo. Nataka muoneshe pa kuweka nini. So I want just to take this back and we see how it is. And also this end we are putting up another structure like this, just like a shade. So that's why you see it's put in here, a lot of stuff, so that the house can be in one place. So we also have my fellow creators. Yes, man. How are you? Yes, how are you, man? You good? Fine, bro. Yes, thank you for coming.
Yeah, man. That's why we have to show up.
Absolutely.
You know, as we do,
yes.
This platform that we are working with just families.
Yeah, for sure.
So when one of us just have that problem, you have to be a part of the problem.
Absolutely.
You know? Yeah, so that's why you see us we're here. And guys, I'm a creator also.
Yeah.
And my good name is Kasasi, by Kasasi. That's my handle.
Yeah.
And just came to my condolence here, guys.
Yes.
To our brother CJ.
Yeah.
And man, just know that everything will be fine.
Yeah.
With the grace of God, you never know, man.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, man.
It's the nature harvesting its own.
Exactly.
Thank you, man. I can go. I see the good work, man. All right, guys. It's a YouTube family today work, and I wanted to console my brother. Nataka kuoneshe Gentanyi venye atapiga mitaro. sio mitaro mashimo. Sababu kuna miti huko ziko huko, muoneshe vitu tunachimba. Ashaanza kuchimba, sasa yake achimbe. Niko hiyo nishachimba nje. Nataka achimbe ndani. Sawa. Can go, feel free. Okay. Feel free guys, let me, I'm coming. Okay. So I wanna rush on the other end and we see what's happening. I wanna use a car. Babe, kifungu ya gari. Kifungu ya gari. Sorry for my frog voice. Kifungu ya gari. Jail. Okay. Guys, it's a lot, you know. I have to make things done. If we just sit like, hey. Hi. Yeah, so guys, I'm coming from Tanzania. And just like that, I want to just have something that is going on around. And we check. At least today is next to Tanzania. Things were not that much harsh. So I bought some sardines and beef from Tanzania. Oh, I want to do what you call like buy cooking oil. And we want to check how it will be. Salamabus. Oh, this 3 liters. 10 liters salit. I think ufuta, where is the food? I'm no ufuta bosi wangu. I'm no ufuta. Kumi. Okay. What's the difference between Postman? I know it's expensive. Okay. So, nitabelekea kule mbele tafadhali niombe tu. Because I want to take sugar, then we see how it will be. So I want to add also sugar. We don't have sugar, so I'll definitely add like 4, because every single day we can add 1 kg. That will be working for a day, because in the morning they prepare what we call like tea. At the evening at 10 they also prepare. At 4 they prepare also tea, and at night they prepare tea twice. So to 500 grams, that's half a kg. And then I think this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those 5 will be just for a few days. Then we'll see. We'll act for a few days. That's what I'm also on. We'll act for a few days. Like 2 or 3 days, I guess. Oh, definitely. Sorry. Definitely 2 or 4 days, then we'll see. Okay, Shagidogo. Hey.
Hizi yogurt nichanganye.
Bado nakuja. So also we have something to be used. Bar soap. And then we can check what we'll be having. Definitely Bandari, we'll just check and see how it should go. Alright guys, so just came to this supermarket. This is where we always come buy some stuff. So then she lives in there, so definitely let's try and see. Inafanyaje? So guys, we just came to Sirari border to just do some shopping. Now we are heading back home, and definitely share with you what's going on the other side. That's our police station. Now we are moving slowly. I have also my brother here. I picked him yesterday from the border. Say hi.
Hi, how are you guys?
Yes.
This is Claude, brother to CJ.
Yes.
Coming from shopping to that border.
Yeah.
And we are heading home. continue the ceremony.
Yeah, for sure. How can you tell people how was grandma?
Granny, very charming. A very charming granny.
Yeah.
Jokes maker. Someone who was more than a mom to us.
Yes.
Yeah. So with us, we just lost an angel.
An angel, absolutely. Yeah, guys, that's good. Yeah, guys, actually memories will be kept forever. So that we'll miss her bodily or physically, but spiritually we are together. So let's keep on moving and we'll see how this will be going on. So we bought what we call because yesterday we bought some veggies. So we have cooking oil. We have this bundle of wheat, beef, sardines, and azilagazibaki. Haya, weke tu za kushiba, watu washibe. Weke tu dagaa nzuri za watu wa kushiba. So also to have the swords like a small store. Yeah, go dodi. Okay, safi. Yeah, nakuja. So we are here. Shemeji. Dani, nakabidhi nyama ikatoka pisi nzuri. Ya jioni. Alafu hii inalika sasa hivi. Zile mboga zitatoka. Sasa jioni kuna mboga pale itaribika. Sasa hizi kama tukisema tuchanganya na hii itabaki tayari. Mtapika hii mchanganye huko. Hii tunzwe kando. Yaani itakaangwa vingine kando. Ichanganywe huko kidogo. Ichemshwe, yani ikangwe. Halafu kuna mrenda pale na mabenda. Nilikuwa nataka zitengeneze na mchicha. Yani ndo zingeendana na hiyo nyama. Au mnaonaje? Sukuma yenyewe inaweza pia tumika kesho kutu. Si ndio? Nera tebuyere. Itakuwa sawa. So guys, this is what you see. We have here Mr. Dan 254. He's really preparing some food. Mr. Dan.
Yeah, hi guys.
Say something, yes.
Welcome back to Claude Joseph YouTube channel.
Yes.
Consider subscribing, like and share. And right now I am here cooking.
Yeah, he's making it happen.
Yeah. So let us guys help each other.
All right, man. Mr. Dan 254 is making it happen. Yeah, so let's try to see what's going on around. Also, we bought sardines. And it's a lot. We don't want people to get starved around here. With goridodi. And you not understand these things. You don't. You won't understand. It's diminishing. Yeah, but I see the work is going on well. Kuta chimbo au mbona ni fupi sana? Why is it too short?
Because based on the standard of the house, you cannot go beyond this height. Because the attitude of this house depends on the
level.
On the level.
Topography. The topography of this. Oh, okay.
So the lower ground must be raised.
Okay.
So the poles must be raised
Up
in order to meet the height.
The standards of. Okay. All right. I've brought some nails also. So because I want to make this end. Hii sehemu nyingine inaweza pigwa hata mabati tuweke store hapa. Leo. Sasa utakaza mkono chache tuko na wewe. Tafadhali niombe tu.
I hope
nails are here. And big bro.
I think they should be here.
Yeah. So the idea is I want this thing to be done today like this. Nipige tu kidogo afu nipige kanini tuweke store. Kama unaonaje? What do you think?
Gari inaingia.
Gari inaingia. Yeah, so we see how it will be.
Back store.
Back store after this ground. All right. Sababu ndo karibu jikoni kana fungu. All right. Yes. Sasa chana vipi? Mko poa? Oridodi DJ wetu. Muziki stima. Ulizema. Haya sawa. Muziki wako mrutanipa copyright afu nisumbuke. Vipi uko aje? Niko poa. Msanii. So guys, this is unaitwa nani? Brandon. And we have Junior. Godidodi. So Godidodi, I want you people to kuna sehemu pale. Najua nini? Unakuna matakataka pale kwa nini? Kule shamba manjema alikuwa. Takupa mafuta. Ikulita kataka utaichoma. Mkiwa muita msaidiane na Brando. Ile takataka yani si Brando na mimi. Nitakupa mafuta kutolea kwa gari. Mkuru gande dalili mkuru gari hara. Au tu wote wita mkuru wote. Sawa. Bora mvua isipate yule. Anytime bora mvua isinyeshe. Yeah, and also let me check on this end. We are disposed to have to work. So let me try check how it's going on this side. How much shimo? So I'm trying to see check on this. Also on this other end.
Waambie mhanga pesa gani?
Hii sasa unajua shimo likuwa kubwa, likuwa pana. Likuwa pana.
Pia pale alikuwa ameweka mashimo hivi.
Wakati nilipanda mano moto kwa kama gonga.
Sasa mitini
And then we see how it's going on, guys. So definitely, guys, everything has been okay around. We have been trying to do the organization. We have been trying to organize. Slowly by slowly, bear with my voice, guys. I'm trying my best to speak. Because as you see now, everything is cool. The road is okay. This other end also, the entrance, show the grooming. Baby left us where we had no much plan. Because with me, I was in denial. Like everybody could tell me, do this. I could tell them, no. Baby is still alive and she's still healthy and strong. So on this other end, sometimes I could start to do something like this. Some people could be like, you're doing early preparation for the endeavors of baby. But sometimes I couldn't give them a voice. So, but baby left us unknowingly without trying to do much preparations. Because Jesus once said that I'll come like a thief. So death comes like a thief. It never gives you, it never knocks on your door and tells you, hey, I'll come tomorrow, get prepared. Or I'll come next week, get prepared. So death is like a thief. And the thief is like a storm of death. Because they never tell you when they'll come. So we could have done a lot of preparations. Even you couldn't have heard me saying, oh guys, please donate or do this and this and this. But on this regard, therefore, what I'm trying to communicate is, please help, because we really need a lot. Because as time goes by, a lot of visitors also, a lot of mourners are coming, and a lot of expenses. So kindly guys, if you wish, maybe you can say, oh, I'll clothe the family, or I'm donating this towards this. So the committee is here with us, they know what to balance. Like yesterday, they were budgeting a rough estimation of how things would go. It came up to 266,000. But I know very well that it should exceed that. That was a minimal budget. It was 266,000, which means there's money. Claude doesn't have that money. My family doesn't have that money. If I could have gotten that money, I could have taken baby to big hospitals long time ago. But I don't have. So this is why we are trying to ask for you, to beseech you, like kindly donate what you have. It's a kind request. So we have a WhatsApp number down below in the comment section, and also you can reach us through our Instagram at Claude Joseph Official, and that's how it is. So slowly by slowly we created this one. It's a temporary. So you see that hole? That hole is what I was telling you guys. So over here also another thing. So I was feeling like I can approach these kids, but yes. So on this end, you see how it is. So I just decided, like, let's try and see what will be going on. So on this regard, I decided to clear our old bathroom. It used to be, this is a stone. This is a very big stone. I'm standing on a rock. So we decided to clear all this side so that it can be, people will be putting maybe seats under here, rather than bringing more tents, in which we don't have that much money to bring more tents. We can bring like 2 tents, and everything will be alright on this other end. And we can bring more chairs so that people can balance chairs. And on this side we also do some more cleaning tomorrow, because my boys and the guys who are helping me are kind of tired. I don't want to exhaust them. So it's really just like that. And sometimes I'll not be talking much because my voice, I'm really feeling like something heavy. And to be honest, I regret why I was keeping that bitterness in me. I wish I knew I could have cried much louder to air it out. But I used just to feel the pain, and I have not talk or cry. So that's why I was feeling that much pain. So the preparation tomorrow, I think also this one will be cleared down, to be put a very nice way, slowly by slowly, yani like pole pole. This one will be taken somewhere, be shaken, and all the ground will be levelized. That will maybe tomorrow's work. And also let me share with you what's going on this side, and I will share with you. So on this side, our brother's house, that's Mogen the Dreamer, it's almost done. And on this side, my brother is mowing. He's doing more mowing for the grass. There's a lot of noise. So also today I bought this kind of so that they can be on a straight line. So we were mending the fence on this side. As you see, I just decided to go hard and go big and strong this time round, so that I can put it all the way, you know. So at the backyard, at the backyard also it's more cleaning. That's why I'm telling you, you are not prepared when this was happening. I wish that could be telling you I'm coming, get prepared. So on this side, yeah, there's what you see on this other end. So we are trying to fix this so that also it can act as a small storage for some facilities on this end. I'm having a professor. Yeah, you're having breakfast or lunch or dinner.
This is actually, it doesn't have any name.
It's dinner.
But it's just a supplement.
Does the dinner come?
Whatever you ate at lunch, then you supplement before you ate supper.
All right.
Yeah.
Does dinner comes before supper, or supper comes before dinner? All right, guys. Or it's early supper. So this is what you see. The boys are having this. Supper and dinner. All right. So this is what you see. So today we want to put everything. The speakers are also there, and everything is here. Mugendi also is eating. How many pieces?
Hey, these are the 5.
If you are eating this, Mugendi. What will others eat? Mbona kikombe huna? Where's your cup?
No cup. I'm hungry from the money.
You're hungry for the money?
Not.
Listen to this young man, not big man. You're hungry for money, but not food.
No food, no.
Bro.
Money, my friend.
If you're hungry for money, you know, you know when you're hungry for money, you won't get satisfied. Because if you keep on saying you are hungry for money, it's like stomach. If you won't eat, you won't survive. Same way to that. So definitely, just keep on moving. Cope up with the situation. Pole. Usiseme uko na njaa pesa. Tafuta utapata. Mwana utapata. Something like that. All right, guys, let's try and see what's going on. Tulian, takupangieko. So the fire, our amazing fire, is always doing what we call like, it doesn't go off. It cannot go off. And we are here with Tony. He's just guarding these books. If these books get lost, you know, the funny thing with the village is, this book is from those days back, a very long time ago. So it's circulating. If a home gets a funeral, they'll just bring that book, so that
it's around 25 years old.
Plus
It's
25 years.
We have this.
We have 2 books because with us we are in the middle of 2 villages. Yeah. So all these are the books. So the contribution of a villager you see here. So it's a tit for tat. So this book is a tit for tat. If you don't contribute, they will not contribute to your family too. So that is it. So introduce yourself, Tony.
Hello, I'm humbled to join your space. I'm Tonixter. Yeah, and we're here. Actually, I was being appointed the secretary on this committee. Yeah, so I'm glad to join your space.
Absolutely.
Exactly.
So
and we are here with CJ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The big man.
The big man. The Don. CJ the Don.
So we say
yeah.
Small boy, big God.
Big
yeah. Small boy,
yeah.
Big God.
Big God.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah, so that's how everything is.
Yeah.
And things are moving on smoothly because without God's grace or without God's strength, I couldn't be here.
Yeah,
I couldn't bear the pain. I couldn't bear all things that Bibi went through and everyone.
Yeah.
Because with me, the good thing is I'm always there for everyone.
Yeah. Always.
So that's why I say, small boy, big God. Yes. All right.
Man of the people.
Man of the people.
Exactly.
Yeah. So, yes, thank you so much. I appreciate your love and support, and that's how it is. And also, I'm planning to build this well or this borehole. We were about to build it, but we did what we call did some cleaning inside so that we can get sufficient water, and we will do a very nice clean and build it so that some days we have kids and they're coming up with a crawling zone. So yeah, so be blessed all. Subscribe if you're new, like, share, and leave us a comment, and I'll just share with you yeah. So guys, I just received a visit again. It's not a visitor to me, but a good friend, a brother, a father, and we have been working together. And today also it was like, Claude, at this grieving moment we are together. So we always work with him at this point. Do you see where? That's the orphanage from afar. So yeah, I'm here with Mr. Gilberto.
Yes,
Mr. Gilberto,
yes.
welcome, Baba.
Thank you.
You're good?
So much. Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much for paying a visit at home.
Yes.
At this sad and grieving moment. But for us, for me, it's a celebration.
It's really
the only
painful,
sad part,
yeah.
So the only sad part is I'll be missing grandma. Yeah, sometimes you could hear me telling you, oh Gilberto, they won't come to the orphanage, so I'm dealing with grandma. So that's how it went. But today, it was on Tuesday when I was trying to go to the farm, and I was trying to feed her, but unfortunately she passed on because of the copyright. You can just be walking on this side, so she just rested. Let me say she rested.
Yeah, she rested.
Yeah. So
put all the things in God's hands.
Yeah.
So we can mourn together.
Absolutely.
Yeah, as the Bible tells us or asks us to mourn with those who are mourning.
Yes.
That's why I came here to see my family. And thank you so much for tuning in to CJ YouTube channel. I really appreciate so much. And don't forget to continue pursuing this scenario because we need you. We need your comfort.
Absolutely.
We need your idea, advice. Thank you so much. And I myself, personally, I'd like to thank you so much for taking me hand from far because I'm using Gilberto Architecture and Construction as my YouTube name. I thank you so much for your support you've shown me so far. A road to 6,000 is not a joke.
Absolutely.
Depending on your effort.
Absolutely.
And thank you so much again and again for supporting CJ's channel, so that where we are, it's you. You're welcome.
For sure, man.
Yeah.
Thank you. I got shocked that people here know you and you know people around here. I was like, I thought I'm the only person who know Gilberto in my family. But the Gilberto is well known. All right, Gilberto. Thank
people
you.
Here, most of people here know Gilberto very well. We are associating together with them. So it's an excitement to see the people known by Gilberto are here. So we are family.
Absolutely.
Including you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for visiting Gilberto. Yeah, guys. So let me try to see what we can do again, and we'll be working. Yeah.